Rachel here today, and St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, so of course I had to show you guys how to make a green themed treat that is perfect for all you matcha lovers out there and a perfect way to just celebrate St. Patrick's Day. So in today's video I will be showing, as you guessed it, these matcha black sesame rolls. Excuse the one that I've already eaten, but these are so delicious, brightly colored green, and perfect for the holiday. To kick this recipe off, we are going to start by making the bread dough. So this will require you to whisk together warm water, milk, egg, and yeast for your dough, and letting it sit aside for about 5 minutes. In the bowl of a stand mixer, we're going to go ahead and combine bread flour, matcha powder, sugar, and salt in a stand mixer. Go ahead and whisk those dry ingredients together using the dough hook, and then go ahead and add in your wet ingredients. So this includes your tanzong, which I don't think I'm pronouncing correctly, and your wet ingredients with the yeast. Now you'll want to combine that until a dough comes together. Then you'll slowly add in about 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon at a time until it's smooth. Once your dough is super smooth and elastic, you'll go ahead and place it into the mixing bowl, let it rise for about 1.5 to 2 hours. It should double in size, and then you can pop it out onto a floured surface. Roll out your dough into a large rectangular shape about 1/4 inch thick. Make sure you fix those corners, and then also we are going to load this roll up with some black sesame filling. So in order to make the filling, it's super simple. You're combining some black sesame powder, some butter, some sugar, and vanilla until it forms a paste. You'll smear that all over your matcha roll dough. You'll want to make sure you have a smooth and even coating all over your matcha base dough. Then we'll begin the rolling process. So you'll want to tightly roll up your dough long sides so that it forms a nice log. Now the pro tip to cutting cinnamon rolls is using a piece of unflavored floss to just kind of go ahead and slice some medallions off of your log, and then it produces this beautifully not squished or smushed roll. Go ahead and let your dough rise for an additional 30 minutes after you slice it up, then bake it off at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, you can go ahead and get started on your matcha icing. It's super simple to put together the icing. All you'll need is powdered sugar, matcha powder, and a little bit of milk. Depending on how thick you like your icing, you can add more or less milk. Then go ahead and spread it on your rolls as they are cooling down. I think this icing just gives it a really bright pop of green, which really just adds a lot to the matcha coloring of these rolls, and it makes it more fitting for St. Patrick's Day. So once it's cooled down, you can go ahead and dig in, slice into these beautiful green fluffy buns filled with black sesame filling. Each bun is so tender and packed with so much flavor, I can't recommend it enough. And of course, I'll have to go ahead and show you how it tastes in a taste test coming right up. Alrighty, I have a matcha cinnamon roll with me here, and we are going to do everyone's favorite part, which is the taste test, to just see how these taste and how they look inside. Let me go ahead and dig in and let you guys know how I did. So after doing my taste test of these matcha cinnamon rolls, what I have to tell you is that these are absolutely delicious. They are perfect for any matcha lovers out there. They're infused with black sesame in the middle. You've got matcha in the actual dough of the cinnamon roll, or the roll, and you've also got matcha in the icing glaze on top. So it is the perfect sweet treat, especially for St. Patrick's Day. And if you have Asian parents like me, I would highly recommend opting out on the matcha glaze or icing on the top and just serving up the matcha roll with the black sesame filling. So you know every Asian parent compliments a dessert based on how sweet it is. So the less sweet it is, they will definitely give it higher praise. So definitely enjoy and check out this recipe. I hope you guys make it not only for St. Patrick's Day, but any time of the year, because these matcha black sesame rolls are absolutely delicious and to die for. So without further ado, I'm going to just dig into the rest of this. Happy St. Patrick's Day, y'all. I don't get drunk, I just eat cinnamon rolls.